Sonke sinamaphupho. Sifuna ukuphila impilo engcono. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi ukuhlala eMjondolo akusiyona into ejwayelekile. Sifuna ukuvula amanzi ekseni aphume empompini. Sifuna ukuthi abantwana bethu bangafundi ngekhandlela. We want roads that we can drive on, not fish in. And we want jobs that bring dignity. Amathuba omsebenzi azosilethela isithunzi. We promised the people of eMngeni something better. Sekwisikhathi sokudeliver. If you think putting up election campaign boards is difficult, wait for the next 5 years. Because we are going to bring unbelievable change to this municipality. Ngokusebenzisana ngaphakathi kwamakhansela, ama-activists, amalungu omphakathi, imedia, amabhizinisi, sizoya phambili. Sesiphumile emnyameni. Sekuyabonakala ukukhanya. We promised the people of eMngeni 5 things. We said we want a growing economy and jobs. We want an environment that is clean. We want safer communities. We promised better infrastructure and to maintain what we have. And we promised a responsive and transparent government. Uhulumeni ozosiphendula nohulumeni ovulelekile. Sikhathele inkohlakalo. Kuphela namhlanje.